Hi everybody, how y'all doing today and welcome back. Yes, as I discussed, me breaking down Big Susie, now I'm going to a little smaller PC case. It's by Do It Yourself. This is the Do It Yourself Cuboid. I still love this case. Right now, it's just for my desk and what I want it to do is it's just a little too big. This is, like I said, the width of it is about 10.85 inches, almost 11 inches wide. So, yeah, it's about 17 inches long. So yeah, it has it. Just like I said, I fell in love with this cake. This was my first presentation cake. It has the acrylic glass onto it. Just like I really said, it really acrylic tinted, tempered, whatever. It don't bother me as long as it gives me what I want it to do and the functionality of it. Now it has a mesh top, but just like I said, it has a mesh top. So it got a mesh front. It got matte fan flow. I got a 200 millimeter fan up front. I got three 120 minute RGB fans by Cool Moon. I love this case. And now I'm using the Do-It-Yourself Solo T2 for maybe a year or two or so, possible 3 to 4 until I found the right case for it. I did find the right case for it on the Fairtex case. It's like $100 and something. So right now I'm just trying to find the right case for it. I got 2 other good cases for it. That's the Zellman. I can go with the Zellman T7 or another Zellman S2 or the Zellman S3. Or I could go with Rosereal Spectra D100, or I could go with the Cougar, the MX 600, the 660, and those cases are fine. Now, those are the cases I'm going to use. Now, I did mention Fairtex, but right now, one thing I noticed on the internet, such as Amazon, especially Amazon, a lot of the cases that I like to buy, that I just mentioned, are going up, and they are expensive now, so they're being scalped a little bit. I guess we're on a PC case shortage, but because everybody buying a lot of cases now. The thing I'm also thinking about, just like I said, I love Corsair, I love Zellman, I love Rosereal, I love Fairtex. Leon Lee they good too, but I'm trying to find the right case that's gonna suit me. Now I do have 2 mechanicals 3.5s. I have 2 mechanicals 2.5s, and I have an M.2. So that's 4 regular hard drives I need to install in. And right now, the only cases that will fit that for me is the Zellman T7, the Fairtex, Corsair. But with Corsair, you gotta go to their website and order. Now, the thing about Corsair, they do a lot of ATX mid towers. Now, y'all keep in mind, I love using micro ATX motherboards. And if I put a micro ATX motherboard into a Corsair ATX mid tower, it's going to be a lot of space. Now, I do like space, so I can get my big hands and then do my little tweaking here and there. Now, if I fill up everything like some PC builders do, they fill up the whole entire case, which is their preference, but it's not my preference. I like to have room. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be stripping my motherboard and everything out of it, the power supply, the my GPU, which is the AMD 5 Pro W5100, great editing card. That's what I use it for, and it's just for basic use. I was thinking about getting the 1660 Super. I really want the 2070, RTX 2070, but just like I said, I don't do all that extra stuff as a lot of creators do. Add all that extra stuff into it. Just like I said, I'm trying to take my editing game to the next level. So it's a lot I'm still learning. So I'm still learning the ropes from one of my good creators that's showing me how to do it. So enough talking. Let's go ahead and strip this baby down and get this baby to go into the Solo T2. All right. Alright everybody, she's done. Now the main thing I love about this motherboard, this whole entire do-it-yourself Cuboid built is it has that vertical mount motherboard tray. So that's the main thing I love about it. It's not horizontal like the ATX mid-tower cases are. This is the main reason why I fell in love with this because of this and it was my first presentation case with the acrylic. You know, it's acrylic glass, you know, and to do acrylic do scratches. But what I'm planning on doing is, see, can I find a glass manufacturer, and you know, just go ahead and drop a nice good glass side panel in for me. So it's gonna be costly, but I'm willing to do that. Just like I said, I'm not really downgrading it. Just like I said, I love the RGB feel, but right now I'm a little bit RGB'd out right now. I got all my computers RGB'd up. So, you know, my basic level gaming PC, my entertainment PC, both bedroom and living room, as well as my business center here. So, you know, and I got my IDEs. Yes, hard drive cage with the LED white light into it. You know, like I said, I'm really pretty much too overextended, as well as you see my grandson built in the back on that. That's RGB'd up. So yes, I'm pretty much RGB'd out right now. But just like I said, I'm not getting rid of this case. So don't think that I'm over RGB flare. No, I am fine with it. The thing is that I'm planning on just, you know, I might just do another build into it. Might be downgrading one of my towers, putting it back in the box, and just go ahead and reconstructing using, I don't know, probably a 6-core, 12-thread processor. We got the new cheaper ones out. So, you know, the new 4000 series of the Zen 3, because in Q3, y'all keep in mind that the AM5 motherboards are coming out, so it's on the LGA 1800 socket, I think. But I did a video on that I'll be putting the link in the description below. So a lot of people are waiting on that. So I'm just trying to wait, should I upgrade? Because you know I'm more into that socket right there, or should I just wait? You know, till those new boards come out and see how much the price of those boards are costing. And with the CPU, the 7000 series, it's on the Zen 4 now. So yeah, you know, AMD doing some big things, and this is a big shout out that we are blessed to sit down here and see where our computers took off from all the way from Macintosh, IBM era to the socket 370s, socket 462s, the socket 423s, the socket 754s, you know, to where we at now, from the AM2s, the AM3s, AM4s, now we're going to go to AM5s, as well as the Intel socketry. So yeah, the LGA 775, which I still am using in 2022. You know, I had one subscriber tell me, oh, you're 14 years old. It don't matter how old the product is, as long as you know how to put it together and you know the main reason of why you're using it. Now, see, this is one reason why I love tech. I love building PCs. I love building what people need in their PC needs. So I'm not gonna sit down. Here's the 18 core, 16 thread, or 12 core, 24 threads, or God gracious, the TRX 4s. Yes, that's some thread rippers. Let's just say, here you go. You go ahead and browse the internet and watch Hulu and Netflix with it. No. Just like I said, I pick my parts out great. You know, just like I said, I'm on the regular AMD 300 series motherboard. Just like I said, I'm not an overclocker. I don't believe in overclocking my parts. I don't believe in overclocking anything. I just go ahead and set everything at auto. And if I need that boost, I'll let the motherboard and the CPU work together to give me that boost performance I need in doing my daily tasks. And I'm gonna go ahead on and do a lot of cleaning, because my desk is looking kind of dirty right now. You know, yeah, I got my little human DNA of the, yeah, my dust. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean that off. Just like I said, I can't wait to put this baby back together. I want to thank y'all for watching. You know, hit the like button if you like me doing the teardown, and I'll see you in the next one, which is the rebuild. Alright, I love y'all. Y'all take care. And y'all keep liking my content. And I'm just keep giving it to you day in, day out.